Ay, sorry. Wala na, too late na, Timichi.
Yun.
Nasaktan na ako eh. Madami 12 o'clock ng star. Ready Obli ah. Ready Obli. Hantu because they're the number one guild. Hantu. They're the number one guild in the server. We're orange ah guys, we're orange. Ay, lock. Fight inside the tablet guys. Drop Obli. We're done. Ay, shit, they're laughing it. They're laughing. Oh my god. Oh my god. They lock both. Starting when you die respawn in moon. Abandon start. Respawn in moon. Nadadamay lang ako sa AOE, namamatay pa ako. Sinagin ko siya star. Tara, supportan natin yung star. Ilak mo. Right. Try mo. Parang nakikita ko si Flynn nakahiga, parang hindi na ako mag-expect na lumawin. Ayan guys, power of friendship. Keep respawning in moon guys, let's help the sun team. Go moon. Go moon and then Obli on star side. Obli, prepare Obli and water SF on star side. Pero nakapag-lock tayo ng dalawa. Good. Starting go back to start. Keep go to start. They will retake moon later. So when they retake moon, we take start. Focus on trade towers. It's 200 HP difference only. After Starlock, immediately to moon. Go moon. Yabo. Kaya pang ma-recover yung time. Malalaki. Laki. Parang nag-double lock. Talis dyan loaded yan. Alright. The lane. Everyone to moon while they take start. Obli on star side. Unlock or unlock. Everyone on sun. Moon is still locked, but it will be unlocked in a few seconds from now. Star team, go back to Star. Support the Star. When you die, go to Moon and then walk to Star. Walk to Star. Konti lang. Wala nga tao sa Star. Okay na, yun. Nag sila. Star tablet is locked. Move out, move out, move out. Go to Moon. Ah, sorry, Mabs. Go to Mabs. Everyone can use a squad in Moon. Just try to push Moon first. And then we regroup there. Hindi kaya. Then we feel ay pati yung Star makakuha na. Keep spawning on Moon. Spawn on Moon, then help Sun. Andiyan yung mga defenders. Lock in. Yeah. Lagag. Lock na yung Sun. Focus on Moon, please. Lock Moon also. Ayun, bakit may naka silver sniper? I think Star is open. Star is open. Wait, sumabay ka na lang. Bukas man tayo. Sobrang hirap. Well, top mid. Hindi tayo nahirapan. Nililipat na ako ng out. Sa ating ba entered under war status. Guys, Star is locked. This first in Star. That's other tablet. Moon is not locked, ah. Defend Star. They're defending Moon. Let's defend Star. Ang dami. Star will be open in a few seconds, ah. Star open. Rally up, pagtalak. At least man lang, bawasan pa natin sila ng 500. Wala itong 100 kills ah. Guys, hold. Ito na sila. Coming from the left. Seconds for OB. Yun. Ako na, the gods can bleed. The gods can bleed. Go to star, go to star. Go to star everyone. Everyone on star. Nice push. Lock it down and then move. Then bleed some more. Moon. Oh, everyone on moon. Tapos na. Oh, huli ka na. Good job guys. Less than 1k. Less than 1k HP for the top build. Mga nakasarado yung mga pet ng mga yan.